Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website mobile friendly. We'll keep things simple and focus on the built-in tools inside the Wix editor that allow you to optimize your site for phones without affecting your desktop design. Let's get started. First, open your website in the Wix editor. At the top of the editor, you'll see two screen icons, one for desktop view and another shaped like a mobile phone. Click on the phone icon to switch to the mobile editor. This mobile view displays your website as it appears on smaller screens. The great thing about Wix is that you can customize the mobile layout independently, meaning your desktop version will remain unchanged. Once you're in mobile view, start reviewing your page from top to bottom. The goal is to make everything feel natural, clean, and easy to navigate on a phone screen. Begin with the overall structure of the page. On mobile devices, content usually works best when it's stacked vertically. Rearrange sections, images, and text so they flow smoothly from top to bottom. Make sure elements don't overlap and always keep content inside the mobile boundaries. Wix provides snap guides to help you align everything neatly. Next, focus on readability. Text that looks fine on desktop can sometimes appear too small on mobile. Increase heading and paragraph sizes where needed, and add a bit more spacing between lines to make the content easier to read. Try to keep paragraphs short and easy to scan, since long blocks of text can feel overwhelming on smaller screens. Now let's talk about buttons and calls to action. Mobile users interact with their fingers, so buttons should be large enough to tap comfortably. Position them clearly and consider centering them or adding extra padding to improve usability. If your website includes forms, test those as well. Make sure labels are visible and fields are easy to tap and complete on a phone. You should also review your images and galleries. Sometimes images crop differently on mobile devices, so adjust the focal points to keep the important subject centered and visible. If your desktop layout uses multiple columns, consider rearranging those sections into a single vertical column for mobile so the content doesn't feel crowded. Another helpful tip is to hide unnecessary decorative elements on mobile. If something doesn't add value to the mobile experience, removing it can help your site look cleaner and load faster. Finally, add enough spacing between sections, text, and images. A little breathing room makes your website feel more polished and prevents accidental taps. Before publishing, go through each page one more time and check the structure, readability, buttons, images, and spacing to ensure everything feels smooth and consistent across the entire mobile site. And that's it. By using the mobile view in Wix, you can create a website that looks clean, professional, and easy to use on any phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more website design and Wix tutorials. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video.